Use your ManaSport Plus.
Start in a seated position on a couch or chair. This makes it easier to apply the ManaSport Plus device properly and comfortably. Inside your ManaSport Plus package, you'll find everything you need. The control unit, transducer, power supply, 2 bottles of ultrasonic gel, adhesive patches, a transducer holder, and a strap. Begin by attaching the transducer to the control unit. Just insert the connector into the port until it clicks into place. Set the date on your control unit to get started. Use the plus and minus buttons on the side of the controller to set this. Then select the ultrasound button to progress onto the next screen. It has you set the hour, minute, month, day, and year. Once these are complete, hit the power button once, and it will be ready to go. Depending on where you're treating, you'll use either the strap or the adhesive patch to hold the transducer in place. If it's a hard-to-reach area, having someone help you apply the adhesive patch can help future treatments. If it's an area on the body with a lot of movement or one of the limbs, you will want to use the strap. For strap application, place the transducer holder into the hole on the strap. Position it over the treatment site, wrap the strap around your limb, and pull it through the D-ring. It should be snug, but not tight. Apply a small amount of ultrasonic gel, about the size of your pinky fingernail, to the smooth side of the transducer. Open the transducer holder by pinching the 2 small buttons on the sides.
Place the transducer gel side down. Then press the transducer into place until it sits against the skin. Then position the wire so that it fits neatly into the cutout.
Then close the lid until you hear a click. Make sure both sides are secure. Press the ultrasound button to start your treatment. Now relax. ManaSport Plus takes care of the rest. Your session will last 20 minutes, and the device will automatically beep and turn off when it's done.
The ManaSport Plus has approximately 3 hours of use
before needing to be recharged. To charge your ManaSport Plus device, use the charger that was provided. Then insert the cable into the bottom of the controller until the battery indicator shows that it's fully charged.